I had the honor to lead the joint NBI-IRI observer mission to Zimbabwe in July to observe the country's first elections since Robert Mugabe was not on the ballot. Despite the many reported lapses, election day was euphoric due to the extraordinary large voter turnout. The atmosphere quickly changed when, in response to peaceful protests, the government then, unleashing post-election brutality, reflective of the country's authoritarian past. Zimbabwe's new president must make a new start, must be able to prove to himself, not to those of us who observe the elections, but to his own people. And we count on him to be able to bring the change that his people